Hello students, now we'll see the experiment number 3. Use of PLC to test the start-stop logic for 2 inputs and 1 output signal, output system. Now, we already seen the front panel of PLC. This is the front panel of PLC. We can connect the Ethernet cable from PLC to PC. Now, on PC, first we will configure or given the IP address to the PC. For that, right click to the Ethernet, then open the network and sharing center, then go to the local area connection, then click on the properties, then go to the Internet Protocol version 4, then click on properties and assign the IP address to the system or PC. I assigned the IP address 192.168.1.32. This is the IP address I assigned to the PC. Its subnet mask is, this is a class C IP address. I have given the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and give the default gateway. What is gateway? Gateway used to communicate local PC to the global, local network to the global network. For that, we have used this IP address as 192.168.1.1 and DNS server as a default IP address 192.168.1.1. I repeat, I assign the IP address to the PC that 192.168.1.32. Its subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and its default gateway IP address is 192.168.1.1. Okay, we can vary this IP address. Okay, now we have given the IP address to the PC. Now we have to assign the IP address to the PLC. For that, open the BootTP DHCP server. BootTP DHCP server. Okay, here it shows the MAC address of PLC. Now click on that MAC address, then we have to assign the IP address to the PLC. I have assigned the IP address to the PLC 192.168.1.35. I assign IP address to the PC is 32 and I assign the IP address to the PLC as a 35. Now host name and like same 255.255.0 and its series description data, it is a 1100 series PLC. That's so that I written here 1100. Now next, then click on the enable, then it will assign the IP address to the PLC. Now PLC got the IP address 192.168.1.35 and PC got the IP address 192.168.1.32. Okay. Now open the RX logics. Here are the RX logics. Now click on new. Click on the series B. This is a Micrologix 1100 series B PLC. Okay. Now this is a rung. This line is called as a rung. Now we have to use the different symbols, or for ladder diagram use different symbols to draw the ladder diagram. Now I have taken one simple normally open switch. Okay. This is normally open switch. I assign the address input colon 0/0. I assign the input address to this switch is 0/0. Then I have taken the output colon 0/0. I assign the output signal or output as address 0/0. Now and click on verify file, then verify project. First click on verify file, verify project, then go to the system communication, then by default it shows the IP address given to the PLC, then click on save, then save the file, that is experiment 2, then download, then it shows ask for the download, then click on S. It asks for the run mode, then click on S. Then system will on a run mode. That is, when switch is on, the LED is on. Switch is at address 0/0, LED is at address 0/0. Now we will see this output. See output. Output, this is output pin. This is output. Here, this is 0/0 pin, and this is it is input pin, this is output pin. I assign the IP address 0/0 for this pin, and I assign the output address 0/0 for this LED. Okay, when I toggle the switch, when I on the switch, LED will on, when off the switch, LED will off. Okay. Now, when I off the switch, then LED will turn on the switch, off the switch, on, off. Okay. Now go the offline. For reprogramming, we have to go offline, then offline. Then I have taken another AND gate, another switch as a normally open switch for design the AND gate. This is the AND gate. When two switches are in series, they need form AND gate. 1 into 1, output will be 1. 1 into 0, output will be 0. 0 into 1, output will be 0. When suppose I switch on both the switches, then and then only output will be turn on. I assign the address 0/1 and 0/0. Okay. Now, when single input is on, output will be off. When both the input is on 1 1, then output will be 1. Okay. When 1 into 0, output will be 0. This will see on the output. Here. When both the switch are on, then and then output will be on. Now, for designing, these both are in series. Now design OR gate. For a OR gate, we use the branch. This is the branch. We use this branch. Both are in parallel. Parallel means OR gate. 1 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. When any one switch is on, then output will be on. Then I will download this program in PLC. When both the switches are on, then output will be on. If any one is off, then output will remain on. If both the outputs are 0, then output will be 0. This will show in here. If any one is off, output remains on. 0 1, output remains on. Okay. This is the end of the experiment.